The BMW X3 M40i is a high-performance luxury SUV that blends power, agility, and everyday practicality. Positioned between the standard X3 models and the full-fledged BMW X3 M, this SUV offers a perfect balance of sportiness and comfort. With its powerful 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine, advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system, and a well-appointed interior, the X3 M40i delivers a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. Under the hood, the BMW X3 M40i is powered by a 3.0L twin-power turbo inline-6 engine, producing 382 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which ensures smooth and rapid gear shifts. The 0 to 100 km/h sprint takes just 4.4 seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs in its class. The BMW xDrive system, an intelligent all-wheel drive setup, distributes power efficiently between the front and rear wheels, enhancing grip and stability on various road surfaces. Whether navigating through city streets, highways, or twisty mountain roads, the X3 M40i provides excellent control and handling. The adaptive M suspension ensures a perfect balance between comfort and sporty driving. The suspension automatically adjusts based on road conditions, providing a smooth ride when cruising and a firm, responsive setup during aggressive driving. The M Sport differential enhances cornering performance by optimizing torque distribution between the rear wheels, reducing understeer and improving agility. The M Sport brakes offer exceptional stopping power, ensuring confidence-inspiring performance at high speeds. The exterior of the X3 M40i exudes an aggressive yet elegant presence. The front features BMW's signature kidney grille with a blacked-out finish, complemented by adaptive LED headlights that enhance visibility and add a sleek look. Large M-specific air intakes on the front bumper improve aerodynamics while emphasizing the SUV's sporty nature. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly along the sides, leading to a muscular rear design with dual exhaust outlets that produce a deep, throaty sound. The 20-inch M alloy wheels add to its commanding stance, while the optional M Shadowline package introduces blacked-out exterior elements for a more aggressive look. Inside, the BMW X3 M40i offers a premium cabin design for both comfort and sportiness. The seats are upholstered in Bernasker leather, featuring contrast stitching and M badging. The M Sport steering wheel, wrapped in high-quality leather, provides a firm grip and includes paddle shifters for manual gear control. The driver-focused cockpit is equipped with the latest BMW technology, including the Live Cockpit Professional system, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The iDrive 8 system, with gesture control and voice command functionality, offers seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The Harman Kardon surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, enhancing every journey with crystal-clear sound quality. The ambient lighting system, with multiple color options, adds a sophisticated atmosphere to the cabin. The panoramic sunroof allows natural light to fill the interior, making the space feel even more open and luxurious. The Tri-Zone automatic climate control ensures that both the driver and passengers remain comfortable in any weather condition. Safety and driver assistance features in the X3 M40i are state-of-the-art. The BMW Driving Assistance package includes features such as lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system provides a comprehensive view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering effortless. Additionally, the Parking Assistant Plus system can automatically steer the vehicle into tight spaces, reducing driver effort. The BMW X3 M40i is designed to adapt to different driving preferences with its driving experience control system. It offers multiple drive modes, including Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Eco Pro, allowing drivers to adjust the vehicle's performance, suspension, and steering response based on their mood or road conditions. The M Sport exhaust system features adjustable sound settings, letting drivers switch between a refined, quiet mode for relaxed cruising and a more aggressive, performance-oriented exhaust note for an exhilarating driving experience. With its powerful engine, sharp handling, and luxurious features, the BMW X3 M40i is the perfect SUV for those who want the thrill of a sports car combined with the practicality of an SUV. Whether it's daily commuting, long road trips, or spirited weekend drives, this vehicle offers an unmatched blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. The X3 M40i is not just a step above the standard X3, it's a true embodiment of BMW's ultimate driving machine philosophy, delivering an experience that excites, engages, and impresses at every turn.